Welcome to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth reviews of the best products out there. If you're looking for an expert take on the Augustinus Women's The Rich Conditioner, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore what this product has to offer for those with curly and coily hair types. The Augustinus Women's The Rich Conditioner is a cream-based formula designed for individuals with dry, brittle hair in need of deep hydration and nourishment. It's free from parabens, fragrances, and gluten, making it an appealing choice for anyone with sensitive skin or those adhering to specific lifestyle choices like veganism. This conditioner promises to restore damaged hair, reduce breakage, and prevent split ends. It's also said to help improve volume for fuller-looking hair, while smoothing frizz and providing a glossy finish. In terms of usage, I found the product easy to apply with a creamy texture that smoothly coats each strand. It's quite hydrating. After applying, I noticed that my curls were instantly softer, more defined, and easier to detangle. The product's thick consistency helped create a luxurious, almost salon-like experience. However, it's not all perfect. While it did provide moisture and improve the look of my curls, I found it slightly heavy, particularly if you don't have highly porous hair. If your hair is finer, you might want to use a lighter hand to avoid weighing it down. Now, let's talk pros and cons. On the plus side, this conditioner certainly delivers on hydration and frizz control. If you struggle with dry, brittle hair, you'll appreciate the way it makes your hair feel nourished and revitalized. The volume boost it provides is noticeable. Your hair will feel fuller and more lively. But, as mentioned earlier, the formula might be a bit too rich for finer hair types. While it works wonders on coarser, more textured hair, it may be a little much for those looking for a lighter, more delicate conditioner. As for value, the price point is certainly on the higher side. You're paying for a premium formula, and while it does deliver solid results, it's important to evaluate whether those results justify the cost in your case. If you have really dry or curly hair, the added investment might be worth it. But if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, there are alternatives that can do the job for a fraction of the price. When comparing it to other conditioners, it stands out in terms of ingredients and the intensity of hydration it provides. Many budget-friendly conditioners can hydrate, but the depth of nourishment that the Rich conditioner offers is impressive, particularly for those with curly or coily hair. However, there are some excellent alternatives like Shea Moisture or Ouai that offer similar benefits at a more accessible price point. Build quality and longevity aren't issues here. The product is well packaged, and the cream itself remains stable without drying out or separating in the bottle. Based on my testing, I didn't notice any signs of the formula degrading even after multiple uses. While I haven't needed to interact with customer service, Augustinus Batter is known for its premium skincare line and has a solid reputation for offering excellent customer service in the beauty industry. If you're considering other options, brands like Briogeo and DevaCurl offer conditioners that are similarly hydrating and cater to curly, coily hair types. These products might come at a lower price, but still provide quality results. To wrap up, the Rich Conditioner from Augustinus Batter is a premium product that delivers impressive hydration and frizz control, making it ideal for curly, coily, or very dry hair types. However, if your hair is on the finer side, it may be a bit too much. If you're willing to splurge for a premium formula that restores and nourishes your hair, this conditioner could be the right choice for you. Is this review useful to you? If it helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other curly-haired friends can find this video too. And if you already own this conditioner, drop a comment with your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thank you so much for watching Beautyistic. Until next time, keep your curls bouncy and your hair happy.